Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 14th, 2020. The last Sudoku is a Tectonic with 3 stars. The second Tectonic in this additional, and this will be number 1528. Yes. So let's get started with this Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. And the first question, the single box. It's already filled in here. Number 1. Alright. Do we have a dual box? Dual box, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Oh, this pencil is not. It's empty. Alright. Then let me see which number can we use. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. In this quadrat box, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Same with the 4. 4 we have here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 as a pair goes in these 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes are the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Those 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them for you, 3 and the 4. Then these 2 boxes. Oh, wait. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. I need to wait here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Yeah. Let me think. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there, and I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be there. Alright. 2. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes. Wait. We have a 3 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. a quadra box. That means these 3 boxes can be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 4. These 3 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Also, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 5. Let me mark them, 4 and the 5. Alright, so this box I cannot fill the 1 or a 3, because otherwise I cannot fill any 1 or 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. This box should be number 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. Yeah. 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes left for the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. These 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1, and these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The 2 can also not be in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So in one of these 2 boxes is a 4. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. That means I cannot place a 1 in this box. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Here. 3, 3, 1, 2. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2. 4, 5. 1, 2. Alright. I need a 1 there. Need a 1 there. 4, 4. 1, 2. Yeah. Let me think. 3 and a 5. I'm missing something. These 3 boxes, these 4 boxes cannot be a 1 because it's surround the 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. These 3, 5, 5, 5. This cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. Yeah, this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. That means I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 2. We have a 4 now, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore, this should be the 4, and this should be a 5. The 2 and the 5 are left in this area. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then Yeah. 1, 2. I'm thinking. The 2. I need a 2 here. Yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3. The 3 goes in these 2 boxes. I think this should be a 3. Let me think. 3. 1, 3, or the 5 goes here. 3, 1, 2, 3, or 5. This should be 1, 2. This box should be 3 or 5. 3 or 5. 3 or 5. 1, 2. This should be 3 or 5. 1, 2, 3. This should be a 4. Because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. It should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So these are 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1, 2, 3. This box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be the 4, and cannot be a 5. This box should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. 1, 5, 5. This should be 5, 5. Alright, we have a 3 and a 5. That means... Oh wait, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Well, not quite exactly, because if I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. This box should be cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be a 5. The 1 and the 3 are left. I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. I cannot fill a 5 in this box. We have a 5 here, and I cannot fill a 5 in that box. We have a 5 over there, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here, and the 3 goes in there. This box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so it should be a 4. Then this box cannot be a 5. Wait, yes, it should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think it's a 3 stars? Nah, maybe 2 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Thank you, and bye bye for now.